mid-century modern-style home located in one of Woodstock's most desirable areas. The property has beautiful landscaping with mature trees, flowering bushes, bluestone walkways and seasonal mountain views. Multi-level floor plan gives room to roam. First level houses your common areas, large cathedral beamed ceiling living room with brick fireplace, formal dining room with sliders to the extensive decking. The kitchen is bright and airy, stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space. Take a few steps down to the family room, 1/2 bath and laundry room, also provides access to the deck. The second floor provides 3 bedrooms with recently renovated guest bath plus master bedroom with bath, also recently renovated and walk-in cedar closet. Hardwood floors throughout, ceramic tile in the baths and kitchen floors. Lower level is a legal apartment, kitchen, washer-dryer, could be used as an in-home office. There is interior access and 2 exterior doors off the kitchen area. Full bath with jacuzzi tub. Also perfect for a mother-in-law suite.